Hello, everyone, and welcome. Have you ever wanted to speak English with confidence, but the words just disappear when it's your turn to talk? If yes, you are not alone. Many people can read English, watch English videos, and understand English very well, but when they need to speak, they feel nervous. In today's video, I will show you how to communicate in English with more confidence. The best part is that you do not need perfect English. You only need the courage to start. So stay with me until the end because these simple tips can change the way you speak English every day. One of the biggest mistakes English learners make is waiting until they feel ready. They think they need to know every grammar rule or every English word before they can speak. But that day never comes. The truth is that confidence grows after you start speaking, not before. Every time you speak, you learn something new. Every small conversation makes you stronger. Do not be afraid of making mistakes, because mistakes are part of learning. Even native English speakers make mistakes sometimes, and that is completely normal. When you speak English, focus on sharing your message, not on being perfect. Use simple words that you already know. Speak slowly and clearly. Take your time. If you forget a word, explain it in another way instead of stopping. Listen carefully when other people speak, and do not be afraid to ask them to repeat something if you do not understand. Good communication is not about using difficult words. It is about helping people understand your ideas in a simple and clear way. The fastest way to improve your English fluency is through daily practice. Speak English every day, even if it is only for 5 or 10 minutes. Read short articles out loud. Talk to yourself about your day. Repeat useful sentences from English videos. Practice with friends, family members, or language partners whenever you can. The more you use English, the more natural it will feel. Little by little, your confidence will grow, and speaking will become easier. Always remember this: every sentence you speak is a step toward better English. Do not compare yourself with other learners. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never stop trying. Your English does not have to be perfect to make a real conversation. It only needs to be clear, honest, and confident. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. I will see you in the next video. Happy learning, and keep speaking English with confidence.